Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Hauser, and I want to talk to you about this problem here, 1075A. It's from lesson 10.2.5. We're skipping 1074 where we derive the quadratic formula, but we are going to definitely use the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. I wrote it on my paper also, and forgive me for going fast, but this could take a long time. We get our letters B, A, C, or ABC from the standard form of our quadratic equation. A is in front of x squared, B is in front of x, C is the constant, which is also your y-intercept. So here's the problem for 1075. 8x squared plus 14x minus 15. A is 8, B is 14, C is negative 15. So I already wrote that in here. Negative 14 plus or minus the square root of 14 squared minus 4 times 8 times negative 15 divided by 2 times 8. I'm going to break that up because that plus or minus means we have two answers. One where we add the negative 14 and one where we subtract. So here we go. 14 squared is 196 minus 4 negative 4, sorry, we're not going to put minus. Negative 4 times 15, negative 4 times negative 15 is positive 60. Times that by 8 is a positive 480. All divided by 2 times 8, which is 16. Over here, we'll have negative 14 minus 196 plus 480. Are you serious? I ran out of room. That's embarrassing. I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to write it a little slanted for plus 480 all over 16. Okay, now that's negative 14 plus the square root of 676. Let's double check on the calculator. My old calculator. This is my graphing calculator I got in 1997. Yeah, when I took Algebra 2. Yep, I was right, 676 over 16. Okay, so that means over here it's negative 14 minus the square root of 676 over 16. The square root of 676 is 26. I'll double check right now. Square root of 676 is 26, okay? So we have negative 14 plus 26 over 16. And negative 14 minus 26 over 16. All right. Negative 14 plus 26 is 12. So that's now 12 over 16, which equals 3/4. Negative 14 plus, minus 26 is negative 40. They just combine over 16. And those could both divide by 8. So negative 40 divided by 8 is negative 5. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. So that's negative 5 over 2. Now, what does that mean? That means if I graph this, these are the x-intercepts. That's what that means. Just like when we solved it factoring. Let me show you. So back to my handy-dandy calculator from 1997. And I typed in the equation. Here's my window that I used. Here's the graph. So 12 over 16 is equal to 3 over 4. So if I plug in that value, 3 divided by 4,